There we go. Okay, so we're doing exercises, and I had to pause the camera because I was laughing so hard while we were exercising. Alex let a little toot go. So we're gonna continue exercising. We'll do this arm. Ready? Out to the side. 1. Out to the side. 2. Out to the side. 3. Out to the side. 4. Out to the side. 5. Down to the side. 6. Out to the side. 7. Out to the side. 8. We'll stop at 8 for you because you're so little. Yeah. And then we go to exercise the legs. We'll do one leg. 1. We're going to do kind of a knee crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to do a straight leg. 1, 2, 3, and of course it's not really a straight leg because babies never actually straighten their legs. 4, 5, ooh, I need to change the diaper now, huh? 6, 7, 8, no. Oh my goodness, you're just full of hot air, huh? It's still going. Okay, let's do the other leg. It's probably helping, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And kind of straight leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Oh, that probably had to feel good in the tummy, huh? Apparently. These should be called the gassy exercises, although they're really good for when the baby's got gas in the tummy. You can